Hello guys, today in this video I will show how you can install Node.js in your Windows. So follow each and every step. So go to Google and here you need to type Node.js install. Then it will redirect you to https. The first link it shows https node.js.org. So just click on that one. Once you will click on that one, download the LTS which is most recommended. Okay, so if you are using Windows, click on this. For Mac, this one. Okay, but I am making this video which is dedicated to Windows, so I am downloading this Windows one. So just click on this one. So it's showing 29 MB, so let it will be downloaded, and after that we will come to the video. As you can see, the download is already completed, so just click on show folder, and after that it will show you here. Then just double click on it. Okay, then it will show preparing for the installation, and this all the computing the space requirement. So it will first compute whether you have sufficient amount of space in your computer or not. After that it will show you install. Here you can see it is showing next, so click on this next option. Here read the agreement if you have time. So basically click accept this agreement, and after that click on next, and here it will show to if you want to install in C drive or not. Then click on next. So here it is showing this all the parts, so don't click on anything and just click on next, and automatically install the necessary tools. Okay, so don't click on that, only click on next and then click on install. Okay, so here it is going to install, so you have to wait for some time, let it gets installed, and after that I will show what you need to do, some setup. After that it will be very much compatible with your Windows. So once your download is completed, it will show that Node.js has been successfully installed. Then click on this finish option, then go to your search bar and here just type cmd, then click enter, and after that your cmd will open, like command prompt will open, and after that you have to search here node minus v. See what I have typed here, node minus v, this thing you need to type and just click on enter. Okay, once you will click on enter, it will show the version. If it shows any kind of version, you will understand that your node is completely and successfully installed to your PC. And after that, the step which you need to do is to go to your PC, and after that open your C drive, and after that click here program files, and after that click on node.js, and here you can see node modules. Click on that node modules, and here is npm, click on that npm, and here is bin, so click on that bin. And after that what you need is to copy the path. So this is the path, you can see when you will click on this is the path. So just copy this one, like control C, press control C after selecting this one. Then you have to search in your search bar env, which is environment variable. Here you can see environment variable, then click on this one. Okay, then click on this path and then click on edit. After that you can see number of things are added, but in your case it can be added like number of things, or it cannot be added. So just click on new, and after that paste that one which you have copied from here. Okay, paste that one which you have copied, then click on ok, and after then click on ok, and after then click on ok. Once you will click on ok and everywhere, after that each and every step is completed. Now you can use Node.js in each and every folder of your total operating system. That's all for today guys, thank you for watching. If this video is so much valuable for you, click the like and share to all your friends.